There aren't enough hours in the day. Time is money. Time waits for no one. I'm sure we've all used at least one of these phrases at some point. And if we haven't, we've certainly heard someone else. They make great excuses when justifying procrastination. In all fairness though, from my point of view at least, I don't have enough time generally means I don't fancy that, because we tend to make time for what we believe is most important in our role. But what if we were to view the creating of videos as important? Things like prospecting via telephone and email are methods we've used over the years, and we still use them today. All of these methods still provide us with a way of connecting with prospects, certainly to an extent. But video introduces the concept of working smarter, not harder. With a push toward contactless experiences, video becomes a great way to create an immersive experience. Video helps create an instant connection without physical presence, and customers can experience this through the entire process, whether it's from sales inquiry to vehicle handover, or from service drop-off to collection. It allows the customer to gain confidence for their test drive and any visits they make, as they can see up front the types of hygiene standards being used. With the CitNOW app, it's so easy and intuitive that with just a few taps on the device, I've shot a video. So, CitNOW have provided me with the kit and the best practice tips. So, connect to the dealership Wi-Fi. Check. Tap the big camera icon and select the purpose for the video. The camera is now ready. Just tap the red button. Once you've recorded and completed your video, press the red button again to stop. You can then watch your video back and approve it before entering a few details. So once you've completed the details, tap email to customer and your video will now send. When your video is sent, it will disappear from the app and I can track its progress through the dashboard. So we've established that the video creation is really quick and really simple. What about preparation? Well, after collecting our customers' details, we really just need to outline the key things we want to say and get a car ready if it's a response to an inquiry. If we're creating a thank you video, we don't even need a car. So we're probably looking at 30 to 45 seconds of video with minimal prep. See, the thing is, the video doesn't actually take any time at all. The time will come from the prep, which we would do anyway, even if we were calling or emailing. The impact though far outweighs the effort. It really shows the customer just how much we value their time and business. And remember, as soon as we send a CitNOW video, we can track its status and be notified when the customer's watched it. But not just that, it also means that we've delivered a great and memorable experience for our customers. Thank you very much for watching. We have lots of really helpful videos available, so make sure you check them out. See you next time.